our play. Let the play begin. What? Is Antonio here?
Well, so please you Grace.
I am feeling so sorry for you because your opponent is a person who has no mercy.
I have heard that you have tried your level best to make him understand, but the person does not want to understand, so I am ready to suffer.
Go on and call the Jew.
He is ready at the door. He comes, my lord.
I think at the end of the judgment, you must change your mind and show your kindness.
What I want to do, I have already informed you. And by our holy Sabbath, I will do what I want.
This is not your answer. It is the current situation. You want to leave it?
I'm not bound to please you with my answers.
Every of it is not here that fast.
What? Will you allow serpent to bite you twice?
I pray you, Bassanio, not advocate you instead of that you can go and stand on the seashore. Ask that it not to raise its usual height.
Okay, I am offering 6,000 ducats instead of 3,000.
If every ducat in 6,000 ducats were in 6 parts, and every part a ducat, I would not rob. I would have my bond.
How can we accept God's mercy if you don't show it to others?
I am not afraid of God punishment, because I am not doing anything wrong. The pound of flesh that I demand of him is dearly bought. It is mine. It is mine. It is mine. And I will have it. If you deny me, then fire upon your law. I stand for judgment. Answer. Shall I have it?
I may absolve the court by using my power, unless Valerio, a learned lawyer from Pasua, that I have invited him to come here and determine the case.
There is a messenger outside the court who has just with the letters from the doctor of the law.
Bring me the letter.
Here it is, my lord.
Cheer up, Antonio. Have encouragement now.
And an infatuation of the flock fittest for him.
From Pasua, from Valerio.
From both of my lord, Valerio gives you this.
Why, you sharpen your knife so early?
To cut off the pound of flesh from the Christian.
Here is the letter from Valerio, who recommends a young lawyer. Where he is?
Is it here, waiting for your permission?
He may come in. He may come in. In the meantime, all present here may hear the letter. Can you please read the letter?
Yes, my lord. Your grace will know that when I received your letter, I was very ill. But when your messenger came, a young doctor of law came to visit me from Rome. His name is Balthasar. I informed him of the dispute between the Jew and Antony. We consulted many books together. My request goes to fulfill your desire by him in my place. I leave him to be accepted by your grace. He will better prove his own. That's all.
Give me your hand. Are you from Valerio?
Yes, my lord.
You are welcome and please take your place.
Thank you.
Well, I know the case thoroughly. Is your name Shiloh?
Shiloh, my name.
The case which you have brought into the court is of a strange nature, but it is strictly legal in Venetian law. Antonio, you are in danger, do you not?
I have little to say. Yes. Yes, so he says.
Do you act with the bond?
Yes, I do.
Then you must be merciful.
On what compulsion must I? Dangerous.
Mercy is not something that comes by force.
I'm seeking justice.
Is not Antonio able to pay the money?
Yes, here is the money, but I am able to pay the amount, but he did not accept the money.
May I see the bond, please?
Here it is, respected doctor.
Thank you.
Don't regret. I have to write this for you.
A pound of flesh is yours. The court grants it, and the law sanctions it.
And a right judge. What sentence? Come, prepare your bosom.
Wait! Awaited! Here's something to be considered. The bond does not sanction a drop of blood. Here is the bond, and you can take a pound of flesh. But, mind you, when you are cutting it, if you shed a drop of Christian blood, your land and properties will be confiscated by the Venice.
Oh, Apple Judge. Oh, Land Judge.
Is that the law?
This is the law. You can see by yourself.
Okay, I take the offer then. Pay the one twice, let the Christian go.
Here is the money.
Wait! Once he refused to take it openly in the court, so he will get justice only according to the bond.
Can I get my principal?
No, you can't, according to the law.
Why then? May the day be taken. I'll stay no longer question.
No, Jew! You are under a claim of killing a Venetian civilian. So Duke can give you death penalty for that. So go down and beg mercy from Duke.
Pedder, you may permit to have yourself.
I pardon your life before you ask me, but half of your property will go to Antonius and other half will go to the general states.
You take my life and all. You will pardon me that. You take my house and you take the crop that has sustained my house. You take the life when you take the means for that I need.
Antonio, what mercy you want to show me?
Arrow, free of cost. Nothing else, for God's sake.
Firstly, he must give his entire estate at the time of his death to his son-in-law Lorenzo and Jessica. Secondly, he must immediately become a Christian.
Are you satisfied? What you say?
I'm content. I pray you, give me your permission to go away from the court. Because I am not free.
Yes, you may go, but don't forget to sign the deed.